Welcome to the course Fundamentals of Communication System and its Application. I am Dr. Pankaj Kumar Mishra, your course coordinator, currently working as a professor head in the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Bioinformatics, UTD CSV2 Bhilai. With me, Mr. Thaneshwar Kumar Sahu, Assistant Professor in the Department of Biomedical Engineering and Bioinformatics, UTD CSV2 Bhilai. He is the course co-coordinator for this particular course. In this course, we will explore the fundamental principles, techniques and applications of communication systems, a field that intersects electronics, telecommunications, electrical engineering and information technology. This course is designed for students, researchers and practitioners who are interested in gaining a comprehensive understanding of the core concept and application of communication system. The course divided into 40 lectures designed to learn fundamental concepts and applications of communication systems. Now we will discuss about week-wise modules. In the first week, we will focus on the introduction to communication system, analog signal representation, need of modulation and bandwidth requirements, external noise, internal noise, noise figure and signal to noise ratio. In the second week, we will deliver lecture on amplitude modulation, generation and its description, amplitude modulation, representation and frequency spectrum, amplitude modulation, demodulation techniques, SSB generation and detection techniques, VSB generation and detection techniques. In the third week, we will deal with the introduction of angle modulation, FM and PM, frequency modulation, equations and bandwidth, phase modulation, techniques, its equation and bandwidth. In the fourth week, we will talk about the frequency modulation and demodulation techniques, pre-emphasis and de-emphasis in FM, AM and FM receiver. In the fifth week, we will focus on the analog communication system, its advantages and limitation, its application, introduction to digital communication, digital signal representation. In the sixth week, we will discuss sampling theorem, pulse position modulation, pulse amplitude modulation and pulse width modulation, binary coding and data transmission along with pulse code modulation. In the seventh week, we will talk over the amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying and quadrature phase shift keying and also M-array phase shift keying. In the eighth week, we will discuss on the comparison of various digital modulation techniques, digital communication system, advantages and limitation and its application. In the ninth week, we will study on the overview of mobile communication, cellular networks, mobile signal propagation. In the 10th week, we will exchange view on challenges and future trends in the mobile communication, brief review of microwave communication, introduction to satellite communication. In 11th week, we will focus on the satellite communication system architecture, satellite communications advantage, disadvantages and its application. In the 12th week, we will discuss overview of optical fiber communication, optical fiber types and characteristics, fiber optic communication system components, signal propagation in optical fibers, optical modulation techniques, its advantages and disadvantages and also its applications. Now, I will invite Mr. Thaneshwar Sahu to discuss the key features about the course.
I am Thaneshwar Kumar Sahu, Assistant Professor and Course Co-Coordinator of this course. The course Fundamentals of Communication Systems and its Applications is designed for students and professionals interested in gaining a fundamental understanding of communication systems. The course does not have specific prerequisites, but a basic understanding of mathematics and physics would be beneficial. Intended audience: undergraduate and postgraduate students studying electronics, communication engineering, or related fields. Professionals working in the field of telecommunications, networking, or information technology. Anyone interested in learning about the principle and applications of communication systems. On successful completion of the exam, the student shall be provided with a certificate declaring the participation and successful completion of the course by the candidate as per the guideline. We hope that you will find this course informative, engaging, and challenging, and that it will inspire you to continue learning and exploring the exciting would-be communication systems. Thank you.